So this is your dollar analysis for Thursday, 6th of September. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices trade below the 1554, closed back above it, did hold it as support. So the bullish buy side continuation take us through the 1578. Brief pullback 1578 before we had a pretty strong move here. Beyond the 1612, tested the 200 period moving average, brief pullback, consolidation upwards. We had a strong move here. We had a strong breakaway towards the 1660 for a perfect test of that 1660. From that 1660, with the confluence of the 200 period moving average, we have seen a bit of a pullback here towards that 1612. We've not quite tested 1612, but we are seeing a bit of buy side momentum return to the market at present. So if we do see either a true test of 1612 or we do see this bullish buy side momentum, we're looking for a price head up towards that 1660, successful break from which we're looking for a price head up towards that 1710. If we do see strong continuation beyond 1710, we're looking for a move up towards this 1728 here on the euro against the dollar. In around 1728, pretty much the area where we did previously make our highs before we did see this pullback all the way down towards the 1530s here on the euro dollar. If, however, we don't hold support in around the 1612 and we do see a breakdown in prices, we are looking for price head down towards our 1578, successful break from which we're looking at our previous lows in around at 1554. Also in around at 1554, we also have the 400 period moving average, which does appear to have acted as a dynamic level of support previously. So we'll see with the added confluence of the 1554 and that dynamic level of support of the 400 period moving average, we may likely see a bounce at that 1554 level. But if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, if you have a particularly volatile day to the downside here and a move beyond 1554, the very next level of note is a move down towards this 115 here on the euro against the dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts to see how prices are developing. Get scale here correct. As we can see here on the euro dollar, we've had this move to the upside. We've had this pullback, made our lows, made slightly higher lows. We've had a pretty strong close to yesterday's candle. Did close near our highs, had this continuation so far today towards that area of confluence in around that 1660. We also have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average from the daily chart in around that 1660, and we have seen that sell side momentum come into the market from that level. So we'll see if we can hold that 1612 for support for another retest of 1660. If we do break that 1660 and move up towards this 1728, may just be on the cards from a daily chart perspective. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.